In this video, we will be looking at the VLOOKUP formula and some common errors that occur when using it. Firstly, let's look at the formula working correctly. In this example, our dataset comprises of synthetic names and the individual's corresponding salaries. If we click on Formula, we can see that the VLOOKUP has correctly identified the salary of fake name 14, reflecting a salary of $57,794. We can verify this by scrolling down to fake name 14, and as you can see, the salary matches the one that the formula outputted. Let's look at an error where the value cannot be found. In this formula, the name Bob is not part of the dataset, resulting in an error. If we change the name to fake name 3, the formula works. The next error involves the wrong data type being used. If we look at the formula, we can see 46 was entered into the formula bar instead of a name. We can fix this by entering a valid name from the dataset. The next error involves an incorrect index being used. There are only 2 indexes in this dataset, not 20. We can resolve this by entering the correct index number. The last error is caused by additional spaces in the formula. If we open the formula bar, we can see an extra space before fake name 14. To resolve this, remove the extra spaces.